With the severe dengue crisis, and as more people succumb to this disease because of lack of facilities or due to negligence of hospitals, a fresh revelation has come forth. The New Delhi Municipal Council has issued notices now to Safdarjung Hospital, AIIMS, RML as well as Lady Hardinge after finding that these hospitals are the biggest breeding ground for dengue-causing mosquitoes. Tanvi is with us with more details on this. Tanvi, a notice has been issued to these hospitals. What details have you got?
Well, Tina, it's not just about one notice. These hospitals clearly are repeat offenders. Notice after notice, challan after challan by the NDMC, and doesn't seem like they're taking any action. With me is a copy of the latest notice and challans that have been issued by the NDMC. Four hospitals, four of the biggest hospitals in Delhi. You've got AIIMS and RML, Safdarjung along with Lady Hardinge. 10 challans for AIIMS, 3 challans for RML. Now, what are these challans for? These challans, if you go through the details here, given in a handwritten note, show that this is because they found open tanks, open drains and sewers, stagnant water at multiple locations. Basically to say, Tina, these are open breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Now, when the entire city, Tina, is battling with dengue, this is the state of our hospitals. They themselves have become breeding grounds for mosquitoes. They've been given repeated notices. AIIMS itself has been given 76 notices, including in the residential area of that entire institute. RML again has been given 12. Safdarjung has been given 28 notices, yet it doesn't seem like any action is being taken, and which is why NDMC and the Delhi government seem to be raising an alarm right now. Tina.
Strengthened over the checking there, and as soon as we get the not getting the desired result, we should not. Yeah.
But you issued several notices, but despite that, several hospitals did not act on it. That's the reason why you issued challans to these hospitals. Why did you issue these challans?
Actually, we issue the challans if after issuing the notice, desired result is not obtained.
Now, you basically, what you're saying is most of these hospitals you found breeding. You found that overhead tanks were open, and maybe there were breeding happening in open, in buckets and, in places where there was stagnant water. Now tell us, if hospitals are breeding grounds of dengue-causing mosquitoes, then how does it become a health hazard to the people there? For instance, if a hospital does not take action, because of which you issued challans also, what really happens? Technically or scientifically, how does it cause dengue?
Actually, number of patients come to a hospital from different corners of the Delhi as well as from the other states. If Aedes mosquito is there, then it may transmit the disease very easily from one patient to the other.